What's the meaning of comprehensively? Comprehensively. Comprehensively.
Comprehensively. Comprehensively. Comprehensively means to consider something in a thorough and complete manner, taking into account all relevant factors and details. When approaching a task comprehensively, one ensures that nothing is overlooked or left out, and that all angles are examined to arrive at a fully informed decision. Conducting research comprehensively is essential to ensure that the data collected is accurate and represents the entirety of the issue at hand. Similarly, comprehensively analyzing a problem allows for the identification of all possible solutions and the selection of the most viable option. Overall, taking a comprehensive approach leads to more effective decision-making and problem-solving.